Example number 2, we have bonds that we own that are generating interest. And this is just a simple example to show, based upon the interest revenue that we're generating, we have a little bit of fees or costs associated with those bonds. It's going to be a management fee and a custody fee. The management fee is 1 basis point per month or 12 basis points for the entire year. And the custody fee is a flat 500. So we have a contingent expense and a known expense. So we're going to run out the 1 basis point per month fee on our bonds. And then if you've noticed, we've layered in an additional $500,000 bond that's earning 6.5%. So we're going to take the $15 million of bonds that we previously owned plus the new $500,000 bond at 6.5%. And we're going to multiply that by 1 basis point for September, October, November, and December. And then the custody fee, since it's a known $500 flat fee, we're going to run that out for the rest of the year. And we now know what our management fee and our custody fee is going to be for the entire year. We can also look at our percents, management fee as a percent of revenue and net investment income as a percent of revenue to see if it's trending as the prior months. And if it's not, can we explain why it's not trending in the same direction? In this instance, they look very similar each month, and I'm going to feel pretty good looking at eyeballing the percents. Yeah. 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 Yeah.